Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 12 Discovery. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So in that box you have on top here a little white box. Just remove it, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care to use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care to use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now the SIM ejection tool or the edge of the paper clip and enter it in the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in that SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards, one at the top and optional if you want a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. Huh? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this here, so press it a bit, that's well inserted. So this is how it should look like then. Huh? So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And as you can see, the contacts they are on top. Okay, and if you want, you can add also on the other side of the SIM tray a second SIM card. So same thing, insert it well, press it a bit, and this is how it should look like. No? Also your missing corner on missing corner, and also the contacts here are on top. And if you're ready with it, you enter your construction back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top here, no, to the display side. Close it well, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.